So why do I consider myself to be a Microsoft Innovative Educator? Well, I've got a lot of experience with using the products, Microsoft products. My first school that I ever worked in had a laptop program. And so first thing that we started to use was Microsoft Works. And I remember using word processors and spreadsheets and even databases back then with the students. The other thing is I've started to do some of the courses and really enjoyed the problem-based learning one. And so I think I've got the knowledge and the experience to be considered to be a Microsoft Innovative Educator expert. I offer a lot of PD opportunities for staff. I remember the first thing I did with the staff the school I'm at now was PowerPoint, how to use PowerPoint back about 15 years ago. And also I'm the e-learning coordinator at the school, so I'm the go-to person that staff go to if they need help implementing stuff. And our school has had an Office 365 account for a number of years now, I think about second or third year. And my focus this year has been really pushing and incorporating OneNote into Terrace. And I've been coming up with the procedures and policies around how we can use it, how the staff can use it, not just for teaching, but for organisation. So using a staff notebook, heads of faculty use that one, and then using it as a normal OneNote for subjects, and then class notes for teachers. So our staff notebooks, this is our business and technology one, and this is so the head of faculty knows exactly what's happening in each of the subjects that they're responsible for. So if you go to the digital technologies, it'll show you an overview of what's happening in the faculty. Then we've got this normal OneNote that myself and the two other digital technologies teachers have control of, and that's where we flesh out all of the actual lessons for each term. And we've got links to SharePoint for our markbooks, for all our spreadsheets in there. And so then you can see here that this is the actual inside the Year 9 section and Term 2, and there's the lesson overview and all of the lessons that we're going to use for the term. And that's what we'll copy and put into our content library of the class notebook. So this is the class notebook for my Year 9 class, and inside the content library we'd have all of those lessons that we've worked together as a collaborative area in the other OneNote. And I can get to all the kids' work and that sort of thing. So that's sort of really this year's focus, is how are we going to implement all of these different types of OneNotes into our school. And because we were lucky, we got the school data sync, and it syncs up with our TAS, which has all of the classes in it. That's created all the groups in Outlook and in classrooms, and soon to be in Teams as well. So that's been really integrated everything for the students. It's made it easier, and it really does make OneNote that one-stop shop for everything, for organisation, for teaching, for grading, for marking, for everything. So just love the fact that kids can go to the Outlook, click in their groups, go to their notebook straight away, and get all their conversations in one place. It just works. The same with Classroom. The fact that the school data sync created all of these groups, and that your Class 1 notebook is already created, you just got to finish it off and add in a content library. It just made everything work so seamlessly. And of course the next challenge in the next few months will be to migrate all that stuff from Classroom into Teams. And at the moment our school's just in the middle of getting the groups all organised in here and automated Teams. So I'm looking forward to that challenge with the staff and showing them how to use and how to integrate it. So English teachers have been using it for drafting, and that's been a massive time saver for the Year 11 and 12 teachers. Instead of kids emailing drafts and staff using comments in Word, they've just written on it in OneNote with their Windows 10 device. It just makes a lot more sense, and it saves a lot of time. Japanese teachers getting students to record themselves speaking a sentence in Japanese, and then they're marking it in OneNote. Learning support teachers are using the learning tools to help students. But the big thing is that you can create, mark assignments in OneNote, then download the marks in a spreadsheet from Classroom. And that's really the thing that I really like, the fact that it's a one-stop shop for everything. Some other examples, I was using this with the grade 5s, using the Hour of Code lessons in Minecraft and getting them to work out what is the problem and then doing the steps. We were looking at algorithms and that sort of thing. And so they had to do a new page for each level in Minecraft. And I'm hoping next term to use the new coding blocks and being able to actually code in Minecraft. That's going to be fantastic. Can't wait to do that. And this is just an example of the Year 9 content library, the sorts of things that we do, and just linking that. So that just simply goes to the lesson for that one. So how do you hope it will impact my current role? Well, I'm the e-learning coordinator. I think if I did get this position, it would allow me to show the staff that I've been a committed leader who's got knowledge and is always helpful, striving to improve the teachers' workloads. And that's my big selling point for OneNote for the staff, is this will save you time. It's an integrated system, no more emailing and time wasting. It's all there in one spot. And also what's central to everything is the student outcomes and what benefits they're going to get. And that's where I really think I'll get from this program. And I just love that experiment, evaluate and adjust. And that's really what I've been telling staff. We're going to experiment with some of this stuff. We're going to evaluate how it works and then adjust our programs. So I hope this video explains how I've used Microsoft tools at Terrace and how I've incorporated them and using them and I've been in love. I've been enjoying doing them for the last 6 months, the last actually 20 years. Thank you very much.